Hey there, Dr. Suvi. Today I'll be explaining the negative exponent property. Negative exponent property states that any number raised to a negative power is equivalent to the reciprocal of the positive exponent of the number. So as you can see here, x to the power of negative n equals 1 over xn. So let me give a few examples of this. 2 to the power of negative 3. Now, if 2 to the power of negative 3 would be equivalent to, we would have to put this as the denominator in a fraction and put 1 above it. So let's do this. Equals 1 over the positive of the 2 to the power equals 1 over 2 to the power of negative 3. So that would be the fraction. 1 over 2 to the power of 3, because we made the negative positive and we put it as the denominator since it's reciprocal. Now we could convert this further into 1 over 2 to the power of 3. Now 2 to the power of 3 is obviously 8. I didn't really have to put that in the calculator, but I did. So 1/8. 2 to the power of negative 3 is equivalent to 1/8. Now let's do this with a little bit more of a complicated problem. 6 to the power of negative 5. So now if we want to do this, we would obviously make the exponent positive. So we would 6 to the power of 5, and then make it the denominator with 1 as the numerator. So this would be the final answer to this problem. If we wanted to simplify it. Now, if we wanted to simplify it even further, we could make it look like this. So 6 to the power of negative 5. Now 6 to the power of 5 is 7,776. So equals 1 over 7,776. And this would be the answer to our other problem. So yeah, this is how you do the negative exponent property. Those are my 2 examples. And yeah, thank you so much. And I can't wait to hear your feedback.